Today, the currency market perks up following a quiet start of the week. On Thursday and Friday, market participants will get to know reports of major importance that will determine further dynamics of currency pairs. Let's watch a video calendar on InstaForex TV channel. Tomorrow, Australia is due to report on the labour market. Previously, analysts projected a sharp drop in the number of employed people. In September, the forecast came true as the Australian economy added just 14,700 new jobs. And this time, analysts also share pessimistic expectations, predicting just 16,200 new jobs for October. If the actual figure matches the forecast, the Australian dollar could become an asset to sell. Besides, the Aussie could came under pressure if China's industrial production posted a slowdown in October in line with the expectations. China's industry is the main consumer of commodities from Australia's mining sector. That's why a negative trend in China's industry takes the shine off Australia's assets. In the European trade on Thursday, investors will find out what exactly derails economic growth in Germany. The largest economy in the Eurozone is due to provide flash estimates of its GDP for the third quarter. The economy edged down 0.1% in the second quarter. Experts predict another 0.1% downtick in the July to September quarter. So Germany's economy could signal technical recession. Apparently, the effect of recession in the powerhouse of the Eurozone is bearish for the single European currency. Nevertheless, the composite gross domestic product for the euro area still posts minor growth. In the second estimate for the third quarter, GDP is expected to rise 0.2% on a quarterly basis and decline to 1.1% in annual terms. On Friday, traders will be alert to one of the crucial reports from the United States, retail sales data. Importantly, consumer activity accounts for almost two-thirds of the whole U.S. gross domestic product. Investors were discouraged by contraction in retail sales in September. This time, the median forecast suggests at least a minor 0.1% rise for October. If retail sales actually rebound, the US dollar index will be able to secure its gains at near 98.40. Otherwise, if the actual data misses expectations, the US dollar will retreat across the board. Apart from the above-said events, it would be a good idea to take notice of other economic data. On Thursday, don't miss a speech by Australian Governor of the Reserve Bank of Australia, Michelle Bullock. Besides, you will find out Japan's GDP rate for the third quarter and retail sales data in the UK. Later, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell will deliver a speech. On Friday, Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Pawles is due to speak. Make sure you pay attention to the Eurozone's consumer price index and a report on industrial production in the United States. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.